In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect bank feeds in Xero. By the end, you'll understand how to set up a bank connection so your transactions flow into Xero, saving you time and reducing manual entry. Start by signing into Xero at xero.com, then make sure you've selected the correct organization. If you work with more than one business, take a second to confirm the organization name you see after logging in matches the one you want to connect. This helps avoid creating accounts in the wrong place and keeps your records clean. You'll also want to ensure you have the right user permissions to add bank accounts. If you don't, an administrator can grant access. Once you're in the right organization, head to Accounting, then choose Bank Accounts. On this page, select Add Bank Account. Think of this as creating a connection point where Xero can either fetch your transactions automatically or accept them from a file you upload. If you already have accounts listed, adding another won't affect the existing ones. It simply creates a new feed for a different bank or card. Now search for your bank. Type its full, official name into the search box and select it from the list that appears. If you see multiple versions of your bank, perhaps for different regions or connection types, pick the one that matches your location and the service you use. If your bank isn't listed, that's okay. You can still keep your records up to date using a manual feed or by importing statement files directly into Xero. At this point, choose the feed type that fits your situation. Direct bank feeds are the most seamless option when available. They automatically fetch transactions into Xero each day, giving you a reliable, low-maintenance flow of data. If your bank supports a direct feed in your region, this is typically the best choice. If direct feeds aren't offered, you can connect using an online banking feed via a secure third-party provider. This type of connection still pulls transactions into Xero, and you may occasionally need to refresh or re-authenticate depending on your bank's security settings. Finally, there's manual import. With this method, you download statement files from your bank and upload them into Xero. Common formats include CSV, OFX, QIF, and TXT. It's a great fallback if your bank isn't supported or if you're catching up on past months. Just ensure the date range and columns in your file match what Xero expects to avoid import errors. That's it. Once your feed is set, transactions will appear in Xero, ready for reconciliation.